it come from when? Big up yourself, Storm Bossy. Me see it come from when? I'm a caution my side and say, listen, do not bite the nail. But it's connected to, because somehow they don't understand, so they use the same email or they use the same phone number, something to create a new page. And what is not understanding is that IG has become so, like IP addresses, IG, all of these things have become so technologically advanced that people will know. I just sure me now want to come out here, come start calling the name because it's going to be a bigger thing. And nobody can tell me, say nobody from over Team Post created or nobody from, me know is exactly who created. So instead of having a conversation, on decide to make a page and come out to be mean. Why? My mouth not join church, but for the sake of candy, me no want it go to a level where it need to reach. Cause if it was me, I promise you it would have reached at the level there. But it's the truth, you know, retete and bling bling bling. Zarazi zarazoo.
We really don't care. They can put up anything they want. Like me say, me not go to my way to find out nothing but nobody per IG because me no business but none of uno, me no know uno, me no care. This is just fun for me. So anything on the thing me know about uno, it was brought to me.
And other people.
And other people. And we still no business at the end of the day.
Everybody talk. Uno talk over there, so we talk over here, so me might present for talk because me there work. Me might not present for talk because me there work. Or the person where I bring the news, but to in a them, because me never trust them from money. So me say, you know what? I can leave it to write your song. And the worst part about it is that I know that the person, Joe, I know you're over your fake page too.
No, he's not.
It is because a while
No, he's not. No, he's not. He's not.
Unblock him. There's 6 pages where Instagram block. 6 pages. What 6
Yeah, but if you block all our page, he can't create none and come. He's not on there.
That's crazy.
Yeah, he's not on here.
So many fake pages are out. Like, that's just crazy. For sure, no, uninvested I am in any of this shit. And the worst part about it, everybody gets up. Oh, people are create fake page, people are do this, people are do that. But yet still, on a quick to create fake page from people. Russian no loyalty. And me not look loyalty from nobody. The only person me look loyalty from Panyasa is Anna Passion, Bella, Queen in the deck, Candy, Tina. That only person that me look loyalty from. Me not even can say Chris or none of them because them are their own big people. Or Lati. Because me and them I come from far. And the people that want me know. And the people that want me invite in my family, know my surrounding, know everything. So that's the only people that want at least look a little loyalty from. But remember me tell you, say, once a person mentioning a person name too much and bringing up certain things, me step away because me not trust nobody we call nobody their friend and quick to come chat their name around me. I don't. You not catch me. Me not have no problem with nobody, but if a person wanna have a problem with me, we can go there because all you're gonna do is cuss a black screen, cuss a picture on your page, cuss you not cuss me. Cause me not have the energy nor the time. Me don't have the energy or the time. Me just me can't bother with 550 enemies. Me have one person where pussy is not even my blood clot enemy. I just somebody where like me say cussing cheese blood clot. Freya look on blood clot pussy cousin. So she come like pin the tail on the blood clot donkey for me with she at this point. But as it reached to ape, me not even entertain she no more. Because my sister she got to some levels where just down and dirty.
Me nah look for she. She a
But
mad bad.
but all of them are new enemy I will rise up out of the Jai Kingdom come for what? Storm, don't ask me what happened because you know what's going on. Everybody know what's going on. It's not rocket science. Everybody know what's going on. But yeah, me know you know what's going on. And it's not okay.
What's going on? Candy Lake Show, what's going on?
It's not okay. You can't say you and somebody a laugh today and I eat pita bread. And while you don't eat the pita bread, you then run a so a pour blood in a wine for person drink. That not okay, that not right. One bag of new enemy I create. And people now open their eye and say one blood clot somebody a cause this.
They're them biggest problem.
Me not last, you know. Me not last. While I was the prodigal son, now I am found. And me, I can tell you, say me, I got left social media like the last time I did left it for all long. I remember the candy she, boy, this a person here cause run come diary. I'm not gonna leave it. I leave card. People cannot be tamed on social media. Everybody get up and try people.
Them love the baga on a different level. Them really they have to bring down people. But guess what? Nobody past social media cannot bring me down.
All me the on social media do is just watch people business and have fun. If you put out your business out there, I'ma watch it. I'ma decide to watch. It is my business to watch. You're not
Duh, and talk about it if we want. Duh.
exactly.
Anybody do not like about no. Me no business who them business. If I feel like chat about it, mega chat about it. Duh. If you don't know want people chat about want to put out, they don't fucking go live.
Like what the fuck? Like you don't think that people parents or they can beat people and tell people what the fuck to do? No. My man a real gangster. I'm not ask Christ if him can't tell me I'll do him while I go talk, yeah. But he said it in a romantic way, like, baby, mind how you talk. Like, you ain't gotta be so rough, you know. Period. No, but fun and joke aside though. Like, I can't believe it come to this. But I expect this from Team Post. Right true. But I expect this from Team Post. But never that expect this right as so. Yeah, Elvis bought Brooklyn flat.
Not right now, Elvis. Diary. Diary. Oh, diary. Think we lost our people. And I never see over post page, your post now. I don't think I did block you. Yes, I don't know where Diary went, people. I came live for her. I'm gonna remove her. Let's see if she come back. Love you, Chris. Okay, people. I just came on for Diary because she can't go live. So, we'll see y'all motherfuckers later. That's it. Let me cool all there. Okay, bye, motherfuckers. Let's see what else me have to post up. I see what else them post up about me. Oh, Syria, lad. She's back, people. She's back.
Yeah, but I add some page.
Oh, you got item page?
But tell us, say, all right, look on even the one where it say Candy discussing her man. Look at that video. I want to know that the time they know about the ad girl. So Candy Lake backup page. Say after show. So I forgot to ask her. This is some serious times right now. So date when
I don't know. I don't live in England.
oh Jesus, these people just hurt people head, like the constant bickering and cussing and dramas and oh, I just can't.
And them life, this then live feed.
I don't live for it. I got freaking.
Too bad they don't know. I watch while I'm doing what I got to do. Oh, I have a account now. May I come back?
Mm-hmm. I mean, work soon enough. Jesus. Can't. Yeah, if I find out gangali. Hello?
Yeah.
Why can't they? If you're not, if
If I WhatsApp you right now, can you check it?
what you tell me?
Yeah.
If you WhatsApp me, know if I can check it.
Yeah.
I probably can, but I might need to come and find live. It's gonna stuck you up. Candy, if you not believe, say I say go up, I don't know what to tell you. You should come see a picture with me and peanut.
Yeah. Why is it still spinning? Can't hear your door, so it's okay.
Yeah. Miriam. What? What's the other boo? I'm Joe man take off my game well played. Joe are the MVP for social media. I don't care nobody.
Nah, laughing. No.
Joe, remember I tell him I have my ad to you. You're real Donna. Maria to your fuck. Yes. My boy Joe, my first conversation we having with my boy Joe saying from Kingston, people cannot be tamed. Remember, say Joe some man run up on him with knife, you know. And he have to take away a knife from them.
Now let me have some lemon water.
Why? One thing you can say, Chris Biscuit give you money for buy me one Dutch pot, and the Dutch pot come. And I say, and my yard come now, because me not trust nobody to give them my address or my fucking name. So I give what me need for give. And he said me go way out away. And okay, why so they come give me out away, why? And when you reach away, why? The Dutch pot, I know one real cast iron pot.
Well, me not hide. I always tell them if them want to find out near my address, them all them have to do a order something from Candlelight.
Well, at the end of the day, that the name that me I work with. And that I just the me work with. Because me have a home, and me have my man here, and I can't take the drama. But if you say, no argument attack, say, all right, them write down them social media password and people find it. And people come record for themselves. Like, do I look dumb? I can't be alone and I can't tell that. Shortbread, what are you talking about? There's no WhatsApp groups or no groups, baby. Oh, you mean about the wall? Shortbread, me and you, that's why them care of be part of. Shortbread! Shortbread, nobody talk. Send them and I'll laugh with you.
Hey, good.
Hey, man. I say, the
How
CMP.
some of them we are talk about me, I hide my face. Like,
No,
God, it's like they don't know my page
no,
or something. Why would I want to be hosting a mix up and these baga and have my face on it? My face is on my page and my page is open, like my real page.
let me tell you why.
These people are crazy.
Let me tell you why. I'll come off and leave it alone because one, me get myself involved because yes, it's my friend and me ever get involved. Because if she go down, me I go down. Two, I'll come off because these information is not my information to spread. It is not my it's not my business. It's not my information to spread. And they on that same, not that same live, but on one of those live, I remember when I was sick and I had my birthday and I did have up my WhatsApp and Candy got up on WhatsApp, which I asked her to show what I thought were friends, some clippings of what happened on my birthday, even though I was sick. And she showed me and one of them, my man, in my man showing night too. And me just have said this song. So my man, him now get involved in a girl thing. Him always come off of them social media platform and so. And in one split second, me decide to make sure who was present on that live. And if it's a situation where you get my man involved or anything, because I not have the time. The only thing people are gonna say, I say, oh, pray man for a flanker, nephew that or something. Like there's nothing to hide from my man. Like he's the sweetest thing ever, and that's gonna be my husband and my child's father. And I'm in love with every single part of his dick and his face and his knowledge. And we're gonna be fucking. I think I know if it take we down, and if we wait till the blood clot business venture yeah, what me I do down here so, and if we wait come through then take my blood clot down. Because right now, so all things are gonna happen for me. Boy,
You
fantabulous.
said somebody just sending me like it's the live. The screen recorded that said it, man.
I cares. After me now back them out and chat. Like just for know that Joe is somebody that the first platform he come on was my platform. Just like Sean and all these fucking scary ass people when we take consider people who when would I say, okay, I was gonna invite this fucking lord like to come and be around my family and friends. And I'm so happy I got fucking sick. God show us signs in a different way, may I tell you. God show us signs in a different way. Cause can you imagine if Judy come around my friends and family? Like there would be so many pictures and videos floating around this fucking place. Okay. Not okay. Well,
How about I eat?
Paulette Drew cannot be two-faced towards me because me and Drew not shut up like that, my friend. Me and Drew don't talk up like that. Ask him. Me and Drew don't talk up like that. Drew and Candy and Chris and Luscious and the one of them talk up like that. Never me. Never me. I need for a drink.
Stop calling people name now.
And Jenna.
Here we go. I can't bother. I can't bother.
But it's all good because me, I'm going to delete this page. Not because I drew, but because I don't hear me across this man. I know when him come back in here, I'm come off and this is the first thing I'm going to say. I say, yo, dash with
You
that.
say now come back for we live.
He not have to come back in black. The blood clot. And
No, he say all away. He say all away.
And oh, I don't care. Yes, true, Gwan. Long time if you Gwan. You're not good smarty. Because there you see things from long time. All girls smart. So, let me tell you something, Rashan. It's when Joe came around, I don't know what it was. But still, me neglect it. Me neglect the feeling that I did have. I'm still cool with him also. I say Candy love him. I say Candy love him so till Candy fool. If Joe shit on the ground, Candy I go say me shit on a Joe. Me I tell you, Candy cuss me and rub me every time for Joe. Or sometimes I say,
Diary.
eh? Oh.
What me tell you in a WhatsApp?
So if I shit on the ground, oh, okay. All right, people. But we're gonna come off of this. We're gonna come off of this platform because I not want because of me. Joe and Candy them and a friend.
No, you know that's not what I'm talking about.
But I said something a while ago. I said something a while
Yeah,
ago.
you did. You said one thing. You said something. But keep talking.
Rewatch your live when I done.
No, I know what you said. Me tell you after. Go and chat anyways. Just
Okay.
don't say certain things.
Stop your chicken diary. Okay. Me go sit, my juice. All right. I don't want to say nothing to people because it's true me very
No,
emotional.
you can't chat about you and what you feel about him or anything you want.
Yeah,
Just
but
watch how you call my name. That's what me I say.
gotcha. But I know say you and Drew, you love Drew. I know everybody love Drew. Me just always cautious
A
of Drew.
Chris Bestie.
I'm just always cautious of Drew because I see all Drew come with people business all the time and I get off the fucking lives because I just don't have the time for it. But I have the time for it. I'm just know say him a set up people or prepare people for them start chat so him can do exactly what him do now. Because him use the people them for talk and then him video screen record it and send it go give the people them and then start drama. When I him blood clot bring the drama. But tell you, you know, I never tell you no people. But tell you no. I never tell you no Christian Candy them said Jew I got fuck up every my blood clot. That man, blood clot. When I stay there, I see me a luscious take up a foot and run. And Janet, what are we wrong? Make I stop drink. Hold on. Make I come off of this. Hold on. 3 pounds of sugar. Diary sound like a mother. Me say, Kristen, I got sticking. I'm telling you about my mother. When I said dinky mini I wine, go down low my mother that. Yes, me one my mother have. Remember me tell you, from me little my mother say, she we got grave before nothing harm me. Remember me tell her my granny was dead with her blood clot under my face. My stepmama, me and her we war and tear down blood clot de la Vega a Spain town. But one thing about that the woman there, you see anybody will get to know me in a real life, they have to love me. You might not feel like I'm the friend that you want, but I'm the friend that you need. Because I see things before they reach me. But you know what is my problem? I thought Drew was safe. A Chester jaw.
I'm not laughing, you know.
Everybody but Drew.
I can't bother.
Drew did they flinging money. Drew. You saw she start live and say, oh the fucker. Drew. Me name a blood clot na Drew. And a Drew that a draw. Irene, go away no man, I can't. But I go on where you go, Jenna, boy. Uncle Drew fuck up your whole no.
Drew never give me money for nothing. Like Drew
I said Drew if you want back the $20.
never give me no money for nothing. So
Me not talk about
anything.
Drew give me $20 for oxtail. To buy one box food at oxtail when he did say when remember the time when they talk about and then when my birthday that come up he say I'm gonna send me oxtail $20 again and Drew said it. But Drew
No, I'm saying $100 before. Go ahead.
the $100 was from the prize that I won on your show the time.
Oh yeah. Anything me get, I win it too.
I win
Or
that.
he bought something. So Drew never gave me no money for nothing.
back up. He sent me $80.
Okay.
I don't screenshot this and put it up.
Everything I got from Drew, I earned it.
Which one?
Everybody earned it. I don't think he gave
Send me
anybody no
that
free money.
receipt up to the oxtail money and that. I my WhatsApp.
Everybody earned their money, except for one person. I'm not call no name, but that I know of. Everybody earned their money.
Too, but sure, me not Jamaican and don't know these people. I stay in the back seat, but no. Sometimes, people type, you can see. Me say all of a sudden people start have problem with candy left and blood clot right and center. Like, come on, man. Honestly, for now, watch candy. Una see candy a trouble nobody more than candy. We go on the live and talk where I talk. That's what I'm telling you something. That's what me come over. People face gets, you know. When me come on the live, people face get sour like orange. You know why? Because me say this is going over here, so me bored, my gone. And people with their upscotch voice. Now look, thank God I never took the quiz money from him. Me take it, Paul, it come earn it. Me take it, come earn it. Nobody has no trouble, people. I promise you. People have to come to we until we say we are other people biggest problem, and I so come now we start say, oh, I start talk. I promise you, we never.
Well, then I don't care.
Me never get up yet and say, oh, me never get up and say, oh, today I'm gonna have a problem with Paulette. Never.
Never.
Even if Puss want contact, Puss we tell us say, Puss first have problem with me. All what you want to tell people say me first. She first have a problem with me. Me not get up and trouble people first. Talk my mind and people hurt. There's a clear difference there. Me talk my mind and people hurt.
I just post my videos and show videos and people hate me.
One next thing about me, I am not gonna be somebody that have a problem and they behind a closed door talk. I'm gonna say it to you in your face. Just like when Judah Pani live them, I'm say, me no want to hear so, or me talk vocally, and then you see, you can't say he clearly upset about what me say. That's why I'm not gonna talk around. Like, you know what Drew said the other day about me? Drew said him not talk things around diary. You know have to blood clots or nothing around me. You know have to talk about nothing around me. Because I know a long time you're a serpent. I know you can bring it there all you want, Drew. Bring it there all you want because the people will know that you started all of this. We the people will realize what you have done. And it is sad to say because people did actually care about you. People actually cared about it. You come inbox candy about you not coming back on none of we live. Me block you, Drew. You know see how long me block you?
He said if that's the way we all feel about him.
I'm not speaking for everybody. Did I say Candy? When me just say people say Candy love Drew, Chris love Drew, Jenna love Drew, all of them love Drew. And me say what Drew I do. Because me never blinded by the love. So me see where him did I do from long time. And the fact that I'm not entertain Drew in the inbox right now, me just I wonder what the hell me the part in life I argue for.
He messaged me, me never reply. Him just messaged me.
Clearly, sister, I Drew do this, so I'm not blind. A 400 upon the live. So if I know you video it, I know whatever video it, I know whatever, I must Drew video it. We're not idiots. Then I come up with story about people search up your car and take out information and go on your live and I suck on then go on page and video. Go ahead. Go ahead.